In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make viral Reddit posts. First, let's quickly walk through the basic posting flow so we're on the same page. Log into your Reddit account, then look at the top right of the screen and click on Create. From there, choose the community where you want your post to go viral using the drop-down at the top. Then select the type of post you want to create: text, images and video, link, or poll. In this guide, we'll focus on a text style post because that's where this formula really shines. Start by crafting your title and body, and then we'll break down why each part is designed to spread. Think of the title as conflict plus transformation plus irony. For example, a title like, "My manager told me I was replaceable, so I automated 70% of my job. Now they think I'm a top performer." This works because it opens with conflict, shows an unexpected response, and ends with an ironic payoff. It also taps into emotional triggers like workplace injustice and clever revenge. That's much stronger than a vague curiosity title because it combines social tension with a clear reversal. Next comes your first line, which should act as an emotional anchor and a tone signal. Something like, "This happened over the last 3 months, and I still don't know if it's funny or concerning." Instead of dumping background information, you're framing how the story feels. That emotional ambiguity makes people want to read on and gives your writing a human voice. Then you introduce a trigger moment, a shareable pain point that everyone recognizes. A line such as, "You're doing fine, but honestly, anyone could do this job." This kind of moment is relatable, easy to project onto, and it stings just enough to make people want to comment or share. After that, show the quiet plan, the strategy you chose without jumping straight to results. For example, "I started documenting every repetitive task. This feels methodical and smart, and it builds anticipation." Readers want to see what happens next. Now you reveal the transformation list, essentially your proof of impact. Keep it simple and concrete. Workload reduced, finishing faster, being labeled efficient. These are quick to scan, feel real, and clearly show a before and after. To close, add a twist reflection. A line like, "I'm not sure if I optimized my job or exposed how inefficient it was." This turns the story into an unresolved insight, which invites discussion and comments like, "Same here," or "This says everything about modern workplaces." So the overall formula is a title with conflict and a twist, an emotional hook, a clear trigger, a quiet strategy, visible proof, and an ironic or open-ended conclusion. Viral posts mix conflict, transformation, and emotion, often touching on injustice, embarrassment, revenge, system exploitation, or surprising success. Normal posts are calm and helpful, but viral ones always carry tension and payoff. Once you're happy with everything, scroll to the bottom right of the editor and choose whether to save as a draft, schedule it, or post it right away.